the Desert Challenge. The movie opens with a grand announcement of the Desert Furry Rally, the most prestigious and dangerous jeep race across the Arabian desert. Racers from around the world gather to complete, but all eyes are on the three top contenders, Sher Ali, Rashid Khan, and Shiraz Bhatia. Rising tension as the race grows forward. As the race progresses, Sher Ali and Rashid Khan form an uneasy alliance, recognizing Shiraz Bhatia's decideful tactics. They help each other navigate treacherous dunes, sandstorms, and hidden obstacles laid by Shiraz. Flashback reveals Sher Ali's and Rashid Khan's backgrounds, highlighting their motivation and the respect they develop for each other. The confrontation, Shiraz Bhatia, growing frustrated with this failed attempts to sabotage Sher Ali, and Rashid decides to take more drastic measures. He rigs a portion of the resource with hidden traps and plans an ambush. Sher Ali and Rashid Khan, realizing Shiraz's plan, prepare to outsmart him. The climax features a high-octane showdown in a perilous canyon where the racers must use all their skills to survive. The final sketch. In the final leg of the race, it's neck and neck battle between the three. Sher Ali uses his deep understanding of the desert's nouns, while Rashid employs his technical ingenuity. Shiraz, desperate and reckless, make a final attempt to cheat, but his plan backfires spectacularly. Trust and respect. Sher Ali and Rashid cross the finish line together, having formed a bond of mutual respect and friendship. Shiraz, defeated and exposed, faced the consequences of his action. The movie ends with Sher Ali and Rashid Khan celebrating their victory, vowing to continue racing honorably and inspiring future generations. Thanks.